Well, good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk about uh, students who are pursuing management degree and they intend to get good jobs. So what I want to tell them is degrees don't get job. It's human being who gets job. अभी क्या होता है लोग समझते हैं कि हम एमबीए कर लेंगे तो हमें नौकरी मिल जाएगी. काफ़ी हद तक सही है, काफ़ी हद तक गलत भी है. What is happening right now in India is that the MBAs are having degree but they are not having employable skills. Now today I'm going to talk to you about certain employable skills which are most important and they will help you in your corporate life. The first and the foremost, I would divide them into, say, 5 categories. The first category I would say is start being proactive. Don't be reactive, start being proactive. And for that, you need 4 things. If you have got a pen and pencil, write it down. The first is willingness. If you don't have willingness to do or to perform something, I don't think that's a very important skill. The second is initiatives. You must take initiatives. Don't wait, because people who wait for the instructions seldom get instructions. Then another which is very important, I would say employable skill is readiness. You should have your readiness level very high. आपको कोई भी काम बताया जाए, yes sir, I'm ready, I accept to do it. And sometimes if you don't get a task or you're not part of a task team, do volunteering. Go and tell your boss, sir, I'm ready to do this, I can do, I'm expertise in this. So what is going to happen is these are very 4, I would say, important thing is, I repeat, is that is willingness, initiative, readiness and volunteering. These 4 things are very important. Then the next thing which is very important for employable skills I see in young minds when they come with a degree, they want appointments, jobs, etc. So I tell them, and this is very important, how is your Josh factor? Now again, Josh, I've got 4 things. The first I would say is energy. If you are not energetic, कुछ होगा नहीं आपका. एनर्जी लेवल्स बहुत हाई होने चाहिए. और एनर्जी लेवल्स हमारे 2 तरीके से आते हैं. वन इज़ मेंटल एंड द अदर इज़ फिजिकल. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी अलर्ट and energetic both mentally and physically. Then the second thing is excitement. If you are not excited for a project, for a task, for a job, for an assignment, then definitely you are going to give 50% of your energy. So excitement बहुत ज़रूरी है. Sometimes business में success never comes by logic, it comes by excitement. So you should feel always excited. The third thing which I would like to say is grasping ability. परिस्थिति को, चीज़ों को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है और बहुत जल्दी है. जितनी जल्दी आप स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट होंगे, adaptable, understanding the situation, the circumstances, and you are ready with a plan, counter offensive, etc., then it's going to work like anything. So grasping ability is very important, and it comes from Josh. The next is eagerness. You must understand कि जितने भी सफल लोग हैं उनके अंदर एक eagerness बहुत होती है. They want to know everything. हर चीज़ वो जानना चाहते हैं. Yes, जो उनके लिए important है. जो important नहीं है, they are not worried about that. So these are the 2 factors. The third is most important in corporate world. What we teach is that is the most employable skill is team player. You have to be a very good team player. Now team player के लिए again 4 things are very important. The first is cooperativeness. You should be very cooperative. Understand other people's perception, ready to mingle and perform. And then the second most important thing is empathy. आप दूसरों के साथ सिंपैथी रखें ना रखें, एम्पैथी ज़रूर रखिए. ट्राई टू स्टेप into his shoes and see where it is pinching. एम्पैथी का यही होती है कि जब आप दूसरे जैसा समझने लगते हैं तो आपके जो टीम प्लेयर स्किल्स हैं वो डेवलप होते हैं. द थर्ड आई वुड से इज लिसनिंग एबिलिटी. यू शुड बी अ वेरी गुड लिसनर, एंड इन मैनेजमेंट लिसनिंग इज अ फाइन आर्ट, एंड आई से एवरीबडी इज नॉट एन आर्टिस्ट. So whenever the client or a customer or your colleague or your subordinate or your boss is talking to you, give absolutely 100% listening, serious listening. Don't give partial listening कि सुना फिर इधर उधर देखा फिर just focus that yes, what he's trying to tell me is very important. And so I would say listening skills. And the fourth is responsiveness. You should response in his efforts, in tasks, in debates, in talks, in discussions, in team discussions, in giving inputs. Give your honest observation report. What is this honest you feel? So these are the four things which I say is a team player. And the fourth is, again it will have four things. Be positive in every situation. You see, I always tell, I like those people who are, I would say, who take out minimum of the positivity in a maximum of negativity. किसी भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में आप थोड़ा भी अगर पॉजिटिवनेस निकाल लेते हो, जीनियस. So now how it comes is that you have four things. The first is problem solving. I don't call problems as problems, I call them challenges. Whenever there is a challenge, be positive, try to design solutions, and remember it. I've read somewhere that one problem has got 10 solutions. A genius can work out on all 10 solutions, and a stupid will not even focus on the solution, rather he will be only talking about the problem. The next is perspective. You must have a very clear perspective, which I always say is paradigm. Paradigm is like you see and watch things from your point of view. But if you know what is paradigm, you have to turn the vision from the other person's perspective. Whether what does he thinks about that particular situation or circumstances. And third is be always hopeful. Things will come out, things will work, come on, let's move, be hopeful. Don't be yourself into a hopeless situation, or I would say make the team into a hopeless situation. And for that you need positive mindset. Everything should be positive mindset. And the fifth, I would say the important skills required for employability of yours is communication. How do you communicate with others? Now again there are four parts into it. The first is tone and the pace of words. आपकी टोन क्या है, आपकी भाषा की, आपका शब्दों की स्पीड क्या है. Don't try to impress people by speaking very fast. Just express yourself. Need not to be very good. तेज़ बोलने वाले, अंग्रेज़ी बहुत दिखाने वाले उतने नहीं चलते हैं कामयाब. जितने होते हैं जो अपनी बात को, अपने शब्दों को वो कायदे से चुनाव करते हैं और उनको एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. द सेकेंड थिंग was always is choice of words. Now choice of words is very important. Like I would say कि if in a situation there are three types of words, people who responses in three different response. The first is, sir, I'll do it. Trust me, I'll do it, and I'll get the positive result. The second is, sir, I'll try. I don't know, but I'll try my best. And the third is, no, I can't do this, sir. I'm sorry, I can't do this. Now see, the first one is 100% potential winner, achiever, successful person. The second who says, I'll try, is half winning half losing, half achiever, half non-achiever, and who says I can't do it is definitely a person who should be thrown out of the office without anything. So this is the, I would say, choice of word. The third is I would say, what is body language. How is use your body language? Because I say body language is your body is itself a language. How do you talk? How do you express your gestures, your postures, your handshakes, your everything is comes under body language. And the other thing which is very important for employability is non-verbal body language. You often see that people are nodding head, but they are not trying to understand what is being said. So these are certain things which I think is very important for the employability of management graduate. And a few more things which I would say keep on working rest of the life is, first is work on your attitude. If you don't have a positive attitude, all these things which I have said is just useless. It will not work. So you must have a very positive attitude. Dreams. Keep looking for dreams. Keep watching them with open eyes. And कभी कभी सपनों का ये है कि कभी कभी वो पूरे हो जाते हैं, और जब सपने आप देख लो तो उन्हें try to convert them into goals. So these are very important things. Now certain things जो हम लोग unknowingly पकड़ लेते हैं, मैं आपको कुछ फेलियर हैबिट्स बताऊंगा कि जब मैं किसी से मिलता हूँ तो उसकी फेलियर हैबिट्स में कैसे जज करता हूँ. द फर्स्ट इज परफेक्शन. नेवर ट्राई टू बी परफेक्ट इन एनीथिंग. परफेक्शन इज अ फेलियर हैबिट. द सेकेंड इज एक्सक्यूजेस. You are suffering from a disease which is called excusitis, or you can say bahana-citis. It's a big disease. Unteachable is another failure habit. If you are not ready to learn or be teachable, you are definitely holding a habit which is of failure. Criticism, another thing. Avoid criticism. Don't give criticism. If you want to give something criticism, give in a very constructive manner. उसको लगे कि आप क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो, एक सजेशन दे रहे हो. एंड द लास्ट आई वुड से इज अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग. डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट अदर्स, सिचुएशंस, और इवन योर सेल्फ. अपने आप को डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट. सो ये जो 4-5 चीज़ें मैंने बताई थी, दीज आर ऑल द एम्प्लॉयबल स्किल्स. और डिग्री ज़रूर करो, MBA ज़रूर करो, काम आएगा. उसके थियोरेटिकल पार्ट बहुत आएगा, बट ये चीज़ें प्रैक्टिकल हैं. और ये आपकी सब चीज़ें जब होंगी तो आप एक बड़े इम्पैक्टफुल पर्सनैलिटी बन जाओगे. और पर्सनैलिटी बनने के बाद आपकी जो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी की परसेंटेज है, इट गोज़ अप. यू विल बी, आई वुड से, मोर क्लोजर टू द गेटिंग अपॉइंटमेंट्स रादर देन रिजेक्शंस. Don't take rejections personally. People reject your knowledge or your academic qualifications, your skills, but they don't reject you. अब लोग क्या समझते हैं, जब हमें कोई रिजेक्ट कर देता तो उसने हमें रिजेक्ट कर दिया. नो भाई, उसने तुम्हारे व्यक्तित्व को रिजेक्ट किया है. उसने तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी को, तुम्हारे थॉट प्रोसेस को, तुम्हारे एट्रीब्यूट्स को, तुम्हारे नॉन एम्प्लॉयबल स्किल्स को रिजेक्ट किया है, तुमको नहीं किया है. तो डोंट टेक इट वेरी पर्सनली. और ये जो चीज़ें मैंने बताई हैं, ये 90 days to 180 days के बीच में आ सकती है. यू डोंट नीड वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड, बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्शियस फॉर दीज अनकॉन्शियस थिंग्स. और ये जो, अगर आप जो मैंने वर्ड्स अभी यूज़ किए हैं आपके सामने, अगर आप इन्हें सब कॉन्शियसली यूज़ करेंगे और इन्हें समझेंगे, स्टडी करेंगे, इनको अपनी राइटिंग स्किल्स में, अपनी स्टोरी टेलिंग में, अपने में कहीं यूज़ करेंगे, so you'll find yourself a changed person from inside. So that's what I wanted to just tell you. So all the best. Focus on these things. If you want to note it down, repeat this video and just note it down. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.